back to A Girl with Tools. Couple other things since I last saw you. So the camera died and I kept working, so there's a few things that I did off camera. Just a reminder, I am not an expert. I'm just a girl with tools. So in the interim, while the camera battery was recharging, I actually switched out between two and they were both dead. I've put the cage back on the rear and I've put the tail lights back on. I have some external tail lights that I put on. So we are going to work on getting those wired up to work, and I will show you what we've gotten done so far. Okay, so the cage is back on, and as you see, I have two kind of tail lights. They are wired to blink, and then I do have my license plate that I have to rewire in. I did get a washer for that piece in there. You can kind of see it. Hopefully it'll do the trick. Otherwise I got to keep troubleshooting. Up towards the front, so almost everything's pulled through. It still looks kind of nasty. But we're going to work on that. I had to stop and go get some things from our local parts house. So where those wires are sticking out is my blinker. And I needed a new on-off toggle and a new blinker relay. And I couldn't remember why I needed them. And then I remembered they got taken off of this because it wasn't running and put on the Blue Beast. This hole down here is for my headlights. So we'll get that put back in. And so now the front doesn't look so messy with wires. I got a few that I got to address. That yellow one sticking out is for my horn to be street legal here in Montana. I got to have a horn, so I got to get that wired back in. So let's get to work. So these are my blinkers. So these got to get wired back to blink.